What's up, YouTube? This is Charizard 1999 TCG here. We're opening up this pack today. Wonderful Venusaur, Mega Venusaur Evolutions pack. But first, let's look at another highlight from my collection. 1 second here. Get it out. Got a Dark Charizard First Edition Holo. I hope you guys like this card. I'll be showcasing my collection on a later date. Anyway, let's get to the pack opening now. Okay. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. I enjoy Pokemon a lot, but I don't know, I've never really done this before, but I decided, I should start collecting Pokemon cards again, and I should start, seeing if I could pull something cool for you guys. There's the code for you guys. Okay, so we start with the Caterpie, Lightning Energy, a Magikarp, a Seal, a Poliwag, and a Reverse Holo Eradicate, an Electrode, a Nidorino, an Energy Retrieval, and a Venusaur Spirit Link. Anyway, so that's the find of the day, and we now have these two cards, a Magnemite and a Magneton Reverse Holo. I'll have to showcase this. I'm trying to collect the base set in Evolutions card, because I have the base set in the old series. So I'm trying to collect that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hey, if you guys want to send me any Pokemon cards in the mail to open up or whatever, that would be pretty sweet. So, Merry Christmas, and see you guys later.